Hey guys, Nate here. I thought I would give you a little heads up on what I've been doing with my 3D printer. It's a Prusa i3, an open source design. I found this online. Now this one comes, and I'll have a couple of pictures as well. Comes online. I bought it online, and you have to assemble it all yourself. It comes in several hundred pieces, and you essentially have to assemble it yourself. One thing is that this is made of 6mm acrylic here. And you can see if I try to zoom in a little bit here, you can see there is kind of a weak spot that, this acrylic is kind of thin when it uses this bolt to tighten down against this rod. I did break it over here, but was able to epoxy it, and it is very strong. I was not able to epoxy it up here, so I just 3D printed another version, and as you can see, it works great. So I was just going to give you a brief overview of what it is. So this model has the extruder motor over on the side, and this is great for taking some of the pressure off of these bottom Z motors down here and here, so that way they're not lifting as much weight. So what it does is the filament comes off the roll, up through the wire, and down to the hot end. Now this hot end, I really like that it's got heat sinks to keep it nice and cool right into the very tip. There's a 0.4mm tip, as well as a cooling fan in the front to help cool the piece as it's being set down. So I thought I'd give you a brief overview on how this thing works. So some of the things you can do right out of the box is, of course, auto home everything. So the first thing it does is moves the x-axis, then the y-axis, and you can see here it's starting to lower it and get the z-axis down until it gets down to the home position down there. And now all we've got to do is heat it up and ready to print. And I'll have a couple of videos on this thing printing taken in the past, but you can kind of get the idea. It's a great little machine. I really like it. Very economical, especially compared to a $2,800 MakerBot. That this thing can do more than that. It can print ABS, PLA, nylon, Ninja Flex, pretty much anything you want to, and it gets all the way down to 100 microns in dexterity. You can see I printed some new parts. Beside that's the Z-axis home holder. They call it a Z-stop. So yeah, just a quick overview of what I've been working on. See ya.